wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, infused with all the warmth of a lively get-together, Magnolia Table by Joanna Gaines is a celebration of gardening, gatherings, and memorable meals worth sharing. It's overflowing with family favorites and fresh takes on beloved classics that will please the entire clan. It contains personal vignettes and incorporates seasonal produce. However, some of the recipes take hours to prepare. At number 9, with the step-by-step directions from the Minimalist Baker's Everyday Cooking by Dana Schultz, you can expand your vegetarian and gluten-free baking repertoire to incorporate a wide range of decadent, delicious creations from your home oven. All the recipes require 10 or less ingredients, and it's mostly gluten-free options, but it lacks a few important prep details. Coming in at number 8 on our list, if you love stargazing and all aspects of outdoor living, then The Campout by Marnie Hannell and Jen Stevenson is a must-have for your rustic kitchen. With its wide selection of delectable ideas to prepare, you can step up your barbecues from basic to extraordinary. It includes a packing list of kitchen essentials, easy-to-follow instructions, and sketched illustrations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if the bone-dry hash brownies you may or may not have sampled just aren't cutting it anymore, renowned chef Andrea Drummer's Cannabis Cuisine offers an array of truly gourmet concoctions featuring your favorite medicinal herb to elevate your dish and senses. It presents responsible dosage and features inspirational stories and butter and oil infusion recipes. Moving up our list to number 6, immerse yourself in the world of practical paleo by Diane Sanfilippo, filled with a wealth of helpful explanations and meal planning guidance for improving your overall well-being by focusing on nourishing whole foods and avoiding those that trigger adverse reactions. It's great for getting kids involved and addresses common health concerns. It uses budget-friendly proteins. Halfway up our list at number 5, chock full of ideas for plant-based creations, Love Real Food, written by Catherine Taylor, is a vegetarian's dream resource. It features everything from sweet blueberry muffins to homemade pizzas that are sensationally delicious and fresh. It teaches you how to eat well and includes personal pointers for cooking like a pro, along with easy substitution ideas. At number 4, the electric pressure cooker by Barbara Sheeving lets a fast-paced household with little time on their hands put together tasty, nutritious menus that are hearty enough to feed the whole crew quickly before they have to run out again. It's imaginative in variety and includes simple 30-minute meals. It works with any brand of cooker. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Anna Vocino wrote Eat Happy, Gluten-Free, Grain-Free, Low-Carb Recipes Made from Real Foods for a Joyful Life for everyone who wants to enjoy eating without worrying about aggravating allergies, autoimmune disorders, and other health conditions. It features no processed sugars in the recipes and simple ingredients. It's appropriate for a paleo diet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Kitchen Matters by Pamela Saltzman provides guidelines and instructions that will set you on a more wholesome course for nutritious home cooking. It lets you indulge in the things you and your family love by teaching you to adapt your favorites with healthier elements. It boasts eye-catching photography and helpful recipe customization tips. It's very reasonably priced too. And taking the top spot on our list, take the stress out of preparing healthy meals for your family with the Laura Lee Balanced. It contains over 120 recipes that focus on whole fresh foods and can be customized to suit even the most finicky of palates, bringing harmony into your kitchen and life. It includes Southern-influenced dishes and approachable menu ideas. It's authored by a certified holistic chef. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.